What if I tell you this Lake Lucia State Park can be your next door neighborhood or community from the new construction home that I will show you right now just over there. And also a bonus for you, this new construction home and the community itself is just around the corner to the main connecting Turnpike Highway here in Central Florida, the 429 highway, which connected to downtown Orlando, MCO or International Airport. And also the good stuff here in this particular community, they have a huge swimming pool, playground, cabana, and all that stuff as the community itself. And also what I love about this new construction home that I will show you soon, they have their own gym. Yes, they have a gym that you can build inside of a new construction home. Imagine that, right? If you want to build a new construction home, yes, you can have your own gym. I'm super excited to show you this. Are you? So, are you ready to see and own this beautiful new construction home here in Central Florida? Let's go check it out. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you quick. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida with LPT Realty. Also, a quick summary of our channel. If you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. a new VIP tour just for you, and also a deals that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to all your family and friends, especially for those who would like to move here in Central Florida and own a new construction home. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to Sims model, and this Sims model is a 6-bedroom, or it could be 5 with a gym in a master bedroom. Imagine to have a gym in your master bedroom. Very good, right? And this is a 4-bedroom, 2 garage, or you can be a 3 garage. It depends on how you want to build this home. And this price is starting from $599,999. So I would say $600,000. And the square footage of this is 3,230 square foot, a 2-story home. A very good home. And also, if you notice in the beginning, on the time that when I'm coming inside of the home, you will see that you can have your own mailbox as well. I would say the UPS mailbox or the Amazon mailbox. It's very good. It's very handy. You can have some code in there, and also once you have those, your package from Amazon or UPS, a big package that can be fit inside of that particular mailbox. A very good style. I love that one. Basically, whatever you see in here, this is all upgrades. So this particular model, they don't have a quick move-in home. You have to build on this particular model or this particular home, which is a 6-bedroom and one of their biggest model home in this particular community itself. And also, what I love about this particular model is they will upgrade from whatever you want to put, like a tile flooring or a tile backsplash, and also a tile or quartz countertop. Whatever you want to do or to have, you will get it in here. You have to build it, and the building time from this particular model is about between 6 months to 8 months, or it could be a year. It depends on the building time and also what upgrades that you want to do. Obviously, the more upgrades that you want to put in your house, the longer it will take. So I would think that particular time of building, because it takes a while to build a home from the ground, or I would say from the scratch. What they have in this particular model, you can copy this particular model. The price that I have gave you was the base price, right? The upgrade is not included there, and also the lot premium. So if you're thinking about how much would be the lot premium and also the upgrades, it depends on the package that you will like pick. The package is starting from $20,000, $15,000, or up to $30,000. That's the upgrades. And also the lot premium, it depends on where you want to have. Obviously, if you want to have a good view, no back neighbors, or if you want to have a nice corner lot as well, you have to pay for that lot premium. So that lot premium, it could be from $10,000, $15,000, or it could be $25,000 on the top of your base price. So that's the information that you need to know about this particular community as well. And also, the thing that I would like to tell you, or the good news about this community itself, is they don't have a CDD. Yes, this community has no CDD. This is a brand new community. However, they have an HOA. The HOA here currently in the 50 series, when they say 50 series, the 50 is the lot size, and that's about $93 per month, which is very good, very affordable, especially what you will get on your HOA, which you will have a swimming pool, cabana, playground, walking trail, and such more. So very good value of the HOA that you're going to pay for $93 a month. And one thing that I would like to share with you about this community itself, they only have 44 lots remaining. So they don't have a lot of lots remaining in this particular community. And also, before I forget, this community is located in Clermont. So Clermont is one of the best county or location here in the Central Florida. Why? Because I will give you my top 10 favorite spots or point of interest where I would go if I would live here, right? But before that, let me give you some information about here in Orlando area. What are the 4 counties and what are the affordable property taxes, right? So here in Central Florida or in Orlando area, we have 4 main counties, which is the Orange County, Osceola County, Lake County, and Polk County. One of the lowest and affordable property taxes in those 4 counties is the Lake County, which this particular property or community in Clermont is under Lake County. So if you are thinking about the property tax, Lake County is one of the lowest property taxes in those 4 counties that I mentioned. So I will take that as an advantage, and also that's a good starting point for you if you are planning to move here as well. So if you don't want to pay a lot of property taxes, make sure you choose this Lake County in Clermont area, because this Clermont area is growing so fast. I remember when my mother-in-law moved here in Clermont, Florida, 2018. The area around here is not fully developed, and the price or house pricing on this particular location was not that high what you see in right now. So if you want to jump in this particular community itself, this is the right time to do it. And also, as I mentioned earlier, here are my favorite top 10 local point of interest. If I'm going to live here, I would consider this top 10 list, right? Make sure to get your pen and paper and write it down, this one. The first one that I would like to talk about here is the Costco. Costco is only about 22 minutes, 10 miles away, around the corner in this particular community. The number 2 is the CF Fitness. This is a gym which is open 24/7, and it's only about 18 minutes, 7.4 miles away in this particular community. If you want to have your commercial gym, here you go, the CF Fitness in there. However, you will have, or you can build your own gym here in your home if you like to. The third one is the Good Town Buffet. If you like a Chinese, a buffet, it's only about 13 minutes, 6.5 miles away. The fourth one that I would like to talk about here is the Universal Epic Universe. If you don't know about the Epic Universe, this is the brand new theme park here in Orlando or here in Central Florida. Very famous at the moment. 37 minutes and only 29 miles away from the community itself. The next one is the Disney Spring. Disney Spring, I love to go there just to go shopping, chill, and also dine. Whatever you want to do, check out the Disney Spring. If you haven't checked it out, go there. 29 minutes, 17 miles away. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Downtown Orlando. 34 minutes, 28 miles away. The next one is the MCO Airport. 38 minutes, 35 miles away. The eighth one is the DMV. This is the licensing department. If you need to change your address, if you need to change your license, if you are from out of state, this is where you need to go, and it's about 15 minutes, 7.2 miles away only from the community itself. The number 9 that I would like to talk about here is the historic downtown Clermont. If you haven't checked out this historic downtown Clermont, very nice community as well, a very nice downtown. If you like to check it out, it's only 21 minutes away, 9.1 miles away from the community itself. The number 10, you know, I am Filipino, I love Jollibee. If you haven't heard about the Jollibee, whoa, you need to check it out. This Jollibee is not far from the MCO Airport, and this is about 47 minutes, 40 miles away. And make sure if you go there, try the Chicken Joy and Jolly Spaghetti. I'm sure you will love it, I promise. And also the gravy, don't forget that one. And the last 4 that I would like to talk about here for additional information, if you have kids that needs to go to the school, I have that information as well for you. That is the Sawgrass Elementary School, 8 minutes away, 5.1 miles away from the community itself. The Windy Mill Middle School is about 11 11 minutes away, 5.3 miles from the community. The East Ridge High School, this is about 15 minutes and 7.1 miles away from the community. And the last one is the college, which is the very popular here in Central Florida, which is the UCF, or University of Central Florida, which is about 16 minutes away and also 40 miles in this particular community itself. So those are my favorite top 10 local point of interest, plus the school if you need it, if you have a kid or children that you need to go to the school. Here you go. Make sure you save that information, so if you come here, make sure to consider moving here in Clermont while the price are still affordable, because if you are wait until next year or a year after, I cannot promise that you will see this price that you are seeing now later on, right? So what they were saying is just don't wait to buy a property, buy a property now and wait, right? I mean, I don't know if you believe that, because I do. I bought my property back in 2023 with a very good price, and now we have a good equity here in our home. So this is the video for today. If I missed something in this particular video, you can comment your thought in the comment box below. And also, if you stay in this video, please comment new home in the comment box there down below, so I could see how many people who watch our video until this end. And I appreciate your time watching our video. I hope you keep watching our video, because in the future I have so much planned what I can do and what I can give you information about new construction home here in Orlando area or here in Central Florida. Once again, thank you so much for watching our video. I will see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. No. This one, peace. Bye.